Welcome to our beatboxing tutorial. Today, we'll teach you how to master the art of beatboxing. Step by step, let's get started. Beatboxing is all about creating rhythmic sounds using only your mouth, lips, tongue, and voice. It's like being your own drum machine. Let's break it down into three main sounds: the kick drum, the hi-hat, and the snare. First up, the kick drum. It's that booming bass sound. To do this, say B but don't vocalize. Just use your lips. Like this, ba. Practice that until you can do it smoothly. Next, the hi-hat. This is the sharp, crisp sound. Think of saying T but make it sharper and shorter. Like this, TS's. Keep it tight and precise. Finally, the snare drum. This can be done a few ways, but the simplest is the classic K snare. Say K from the back of your throat. Now, let's combine these sounds into a simple beat. Start with this pattern. Once you're comfortable, speed it up. Remember, practice makes perfect. To add more flair, experiment with different variations and rhythms. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.